It's pizza time for Aiko. Yummy? Yummy? Yay! Are you happy? Wow, so many cheese. What is your drinks? Yogurt or juice? Mine is tea. That's empty na. You want yogurt or juice? Juice. You want juice?
Juice. I want juice.
Ah. Ah.
Juice.
Ah, come on, come on.
Juice, please, Daddy.
Yay.
Drink slowly, ha?
Oh, pizza.
Eat pizza.
Mm.
Let's
Okay.
eat.
It's for you.
Try natin. Oh, try. Eat your pizza. Come on. Wow, so big.
Go.
What happened to your pizza? Yummy? Aika, yummy?
Is it yummy?
Is it yummy?
Hmm?
May basil, no? Crap. Masarap din pizza sa okay, ano?
Dahil mo yung bedo na ito.
Ah, handmade.
Tsaka dun sa ano. Sa baba. Sa birds. Lopla.
Kaya marami rin doon. Nga. Masarap na mozzarella. Gusto mo?
Hindi na.
Ha? Nagka-crave sila sa pizza. Ito magnanay.
Yes, baby. This is our dinner na, baby, ha?
Drink slowly, ha?
Echo. You need to eat pizza, baby. Go.
Sarap. More. Mainit-init pa eh.
Yung isa.
Kaya,
No. No, I give you one slice. Oh.
sarap yung pizza nila. So okay, mas mura pa. Ayun ka. 250 pesos lang.
Gusto ba, Meg? Echo, oh. More. Baby, oh.
Nak, it's your pizza na. Come on.
Tapos mo ni Aiko kumain.
Alak mo sa keso, anak. Can I have some? Oh no. Arigato. Arigato. Yan pa kain. Enough na. Arigato.
Ang dami.
Mimigay talaga ito eh, no?
Example, ako wala. Ikaw wala. Tapos dalawa sa kanya. Tingnan natin ito. Magbibigay.
Mamimigay yan. Sige, next time. Hindi ko lang alam kung sa tsokolate.
Or biscuit din.
That is yogurt, baby. Mas paborito niya yung itong fruits sa ano, vegetable juice kesa sa yogurt eh, no? Yeah, that is yogurt. Mine is tea, Lipton tea. This is my drinks. Oh,
Baby.
masarap din. Slice na.
Baby, no. No, don't touch.
You want cheese, baby? No? Uy.
Ito, bebe. Ah. Ito,
Yummy.
Ito siya delicious.
Hey, delicious. I gotta say delicious. Uy. Isabel. Is it yummy? Huh?
Mm.
You want to call nanay?
No.
Why? Let's call nanay. Say hello to nanay.
Bread.
Ha?
Ito, bread.
Say hello to nanay, Sonia. Okay, let's call nanay. Gutom na eh.
No.
Sasaling ka pa mag-isa.
Oo. Here, anak. Here.
Kagandahan dyan kasi 100% fruits eh. Walang walang additives.
You got for the fruits. And there's
Mutengka.
Oo.
So, ito na yung content nyo. Na? Yan.
No, stop it.
100% fruits
Put
and ano
that
siya.
in your drinks. Mommy will get
Vegetable.
mad. No. Just drink.
in my hands.
Up. Daddy's third. I'm putting powder in my face.
Oh, Aika's turn.
turn.
Aika's turn. Go.
And then I'm putting salt in my face.
Oh,
Daddy's turn again.
turn again.
I'm putting powder in my face. Oh, Aika's
Oh, Aika's
turn.
turn.
I'm putting salt in my face.
Oh.
I'm putting salt in my face.
You're so funny.
Time.
Daddy's turn. Mommy's turn naman. Mommy's turn. Give to mommy. Give to mommy.
No. It's your turn. Your turn.
Daddy's time.
Daddy's turn. I'm putting powder in my face. Oh, Aika's turn.
Thank you.
Tuwan-tawa siya.